Today we are going to be repairing the screen on the Samsung Gear S3. So to get started, we'll flip it over and we will get our Y screwdriver, and we're going to take out these 4 screws on the edge. Alright, now that we got the 4 screws unscrewed, we want to take something really thin. We'll go right up in this top corner, put it in and kind of push it out a bit so the back cover will pop right out, like so. Set that aside for later. Right, from here we will unhook these 2 ribbons right here, like so, and then we will prop the motherboard out. Usually I like going in this corner right here. Alright, and here's our board. We'll set that aside as well. And here's our broken screen. Now we'll take a replacement screen, flip it over. Make sure the motherboard is clipped in. They're nice and good. Alright, then we will reconnect the ribbons. Alright, now we will put the back housing cover back on. And to know that you're putting it on the right way, as you can see, we got the sensor right there, as well as one right there. And you can also see the points where the wireless charging will connect to the board. Alright, all that we got left now is just to screw it right back in. Alright, that is how you place the screen on the Samsung Gear S3.